Hi, my name is Barney Levitt. I'm a realist oil painter living in the Boston area. Welcome to my studio. Come on in. I do a lot of still life work, and so I've set up shelving to house a lot of my still life objects here. You'll see a lot of these objects in some of the paintings when I take you down to the gallery downstairs. I use a lot of reflective objects in my paintings, as well as natural objects like bird nests. And this is an early self-portrait I did. This is a much younger me. And then I set up my still lifes over here. I paint from west light. I like that late afternoon light on my subject matter. And this is a painting, a finished painting called Two Teapots. I usually have multiple paintings going at once because I paint in layers, and so while one layer is drying, I'll move on to the next painting. And that allows me also a fresh eye to see paintings anew. So why don't we take a little tour of the downstairs gallery, and I can show you some other work close up this way. Here we have my home gallery, and I welcome visitors anytime by appointment. And you can contact me via my website, www.barneylevitt.com. And I just wanted to show you some of my work over here. This one's called Slow and Steady. A lot of my work has a lot of whimsy in it. This is another whimsical piece called The Celebration. And I own 6 chickens, so they've been showing up in my work recently. This is Ginger and Varla Jean, and it's called Chicken Royalty. And I don't own a moose, but this is called A Moose with a View. And I also do a lot of more traditional old master style work, and here's a couple examples of that. Here's Seafood Fest. This is Purple Grapes with Grenadier. And I've been painting and drawing for as long as I can remember, and I got my first easel and oil set when I was about 12 years old, and have been doing it ever since. I got my Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in drawing and painting, and I've been pretty active in the Boston area art market for many years, and my work is scattered everywhere, nationally and internationally. If you like what you see, I'd love feedback, and you can contact me, give me feedback on my website, www.barneylevitt.com. That's BARNEYLEVITT. And yeah, I'd love to hear from you, and it was great spending time with you, and stay safe, stay healthy, and support the arts in any way you can. Thanks. Bye.